Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Supercell. If you have any question that you want Supercell to answer, then this video is for you. Now contacting Supercell has become very easy than it was in the past. Now to contact Supercell, what you gotta do is open up any Supercell game. Here in instant, I'm using Clash of Clans. Now in the game, just go to the setting and tap on Help and Support. And your Supercell support page will load up. From here, just tap on the blue text box which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see an option to contact Supercell. Just tap on Leave a Message and you can start chatting with Supercell. So that's it on how to contact Supercell. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.